If you feel like you're working hard but not moving forward, this might be why. Success isn't luck. It's habits. And these 5 game changers. I studied the habits of billionaires, elite athletes, and top creators. Here's what they all do differently. And wait till you hear the 5th one. It's the habit that most people never talk about, but it's the one that quietly changes everything. Habit 1, time ownership. Successful people don't manage time. They dominate it. They protect their time like it's their most valuable property. If it's not worth the space, it doesn't get in. They don't say, I didn't have time. They say, it wasn't important enough. Big difference. A power move. Time block your day like your goals depend on it. Because they do. Now that we've tackled that, let's level it up with this next one. Habit number 2, obsessive learning. They learn from everything. While others scroll, they study. They read not to dream, but to dominate. They treat every podcast, book, or YouTube video like a weapon, something they can use. But here's the twist. They don't just collect knowledge, they apply it. Learning is powerful only if you do something with it. Habit 3, boring consistency. Everyone wants magic, but success? It's built from boring habits, repeated daily. Discipline is doing the thing, even when motivation has left the chat. The truth is the boring stuff isn't what's holding you back. It's your need for excitement. All right, but here's where it gets even more interesting. Number 4, feedback addiction. Average people avoid criticism. Successful people hunt it. They aren't scared to hear, that wasn't good. They ask, what made it bad? Tell me everything. You don't grow from compliments. Growth comes from confronting what reality is, not what you wish it was. The 5th one, obsessive focus on one thing. Successful people aren't doing more. They're doing less, but with brutal focus. They don't chase 10 goals at once. They lock in on one and treat it like a mission. While most people jump from thing to thing, they dominate one thing until it pays off. You don't need a bigger to-do list. You need a clearer why and the discipline to ignore the noise. This habit is what separates high achievers from the busy but going nowhere crowd. So here's the challenge. Which one of these habits are you ignoring because it doesn't feel cool enough? And more importantly, which one are you going to start today? Comment below. Let's build these habits together. And if you're the kind of person who's serious about growth, then you should definitely watch this video. The advice I wish I took 10 years ago. Because success isn't just about what you do. It's about what you realize too late. Don't miss that. Click here and I'll meet you there.